Hi, my name is Devon with Math Mentors, and today we're going to be talking about the product rule. So the formula for the product rule states that the derivative of two functions, or of the product of two functions, like this, is equal to the derivative of f of x times g of x plus the derivative of g of x times f of x. Now, to work an example of this, we can assume we have the function, we're trying to find the derivative of x squared times e to the 2x, we'll say. So to find the derivative of this function, what we're going to start with is just labeling the functions. So we're going to break it up. We're going to say f of x equals x squared, g of x equals e to the 2x. Now what we're also going to do, just to make formatting this problem easier, is we're going to find the derivative of both of these functions first. That way we can just put them into the equation. So f prime x is equal to the derivative of x squared. Now remember, x squared is the product rule, and the product rule states that x to the n power equals, n x to the n minus 1. So x squared would become 2x. And then g prime of x is e to the 2x, which, remember, the rule of e states that e to the x is always equal to e to the x. Now, if you have a coefficient on the x, you multiply that coefficient to the e. So, as an example, we have e to the 2x. It would be 2e to the 2x. The 2x stays up here, but the 2 is also brought down here. So the derivative of e to the 2x is 2e to the 2x. Now, let's input it into this equation. So we have the derivative, gotta have the dx's here. We have the derivative of f of x, which we have right here. So it's 2x dx. And then we have just g of x by itself, which we have right here. It's e to the 2x. So times e to the 2x. And we're adding this to the derivative of g of x, which is 2e to the 2x dx. Times f of x, which is x squared. Now we're going to get very similar answers, but they're going to be separate for a certain reason. Now, when we multiply these together, we do 2x e to the 2x dx. And that's added to 2x squared e to the 2x dx. The thing with this is, it looks like you'd be able to, there's like terms and you'd be able to add them, except for the fact this is only x. This is x to the first power. This is x squared. So we cannot add them as like terms, which in that case, we would write this as final answer of 2x squared e to the 2x plus 2x e, rewrite that x real quick. There you go. 2x e to the 2x dx. And the dx applies to the whole equation like this. So if that helped, or I hope that helped with your understanding of the product rule, and I hope you have a good day.